Are you a peppermint ice cream lover but hate that it's not readily available throughout the year? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and this peppermint ice cream recipe is extra creamy and refreshing. Best of all, you can have it anytime the craving hits. One of the secrets to creating light and fluffy ice cream that is also extremely creamy is to beat the egg yolks with half of the sugar until it becomes pale and slightly thickens. Once the egg yolks are beaten, set aside and heat the whole milk, heavy cream, and remaining sugar over medium heat until the sugar melts, about 3 minutes. Then add in the crushed candy canes and continue cooking until the candy is melted, but make sure not to boil the mixture. Preventing the mixture from boiling by consistently whisking will help ensure a smooth texture and keep the flavors intact. Additionally, gradually incorporating a small amount of the hot mixture to the beaten egg yolk mixture while constantly whisking will prevent eggs from becoming scrambled eggs in your ice cream. This also is known as tempering the egg mixture. Once enough of the hot mixture is incorporated, transfer the egg yolks back into the saucepan and cook over low heat, constantly whisking until the ice cream base thickens and coats the back of a spoon. At this point, take off heat and add in vanilla and peppermint extract. Also, the addition of food coloring is optional, but helps to give the ice cream that candy cane appeal rather than the egg yolk coloring. For the ice cream to churn properly, it needs to be chilled for a minimum of 4 hours, but ideally it should rest in the refrigerator for 8 to 12 hours. One of the challenges of homemade ice cream is that it can freeze to a rock-hard consistency. The way around this is to add a small amount of liqueur. This is because alcohol prevents large crystals from forming during freezing. Of course, if serving children, eliminate this ingredient. Once the alcohol is stirred in, add the ice cream base to the ice cream maker, following the instructions from the manufacturer. After churning, it will have a soft serve consistency that, to be honest with you, is incredibly hard to resist. However, transferring it to a freezer container and letting it freeze for at least 4 hours will yield an amazing ice cream that surpasses many store-bought versions. Serve with additional crushed candy canes and enjoy! For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.